In this video, I'll show you how to log into Discord with a QR code. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As you can see here, I have here my computer opened. It could be your console or any other devices that supports Discord. Okay. And on the right, I have here my phone. So what you're going to do on your phone is just go ahead over to Discord like so. And then just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on your profile or the U section. Now go to the top right, tap on the gear icon, and then here scroll all the way down until you find scan QR code. Okay, so just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will open up your camera. So what you'll do is just go ahead and face the camera onto the QR code, like so. Now once that's done, as you can see here on your phone, you should be able to see the login pop up. So just tap on login and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you log into Discord by just using the QR code. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.